In this video, I'll show you how to fix fast battery drain on your Mac and improve your battery life. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, including Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. If your MacBook battery is draining too quickly, these simple settings can help right away. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. When System Settings opens, click Battery in the left sidebar. At the top, find Low Power Mode. Click the drop-down menu and choose the option that works best for you. You'll see 4 options: Never, Always, Only on Battery, and Only on Power Adapter. To reduce battery drain and improve battery life, select Only on Battery or Always. Next, scroll down to Battery Health and click the info icon, the small I next to it. In the pop-up window, make sure Optimize Battery Charging is turned on, then close the window. Now, click Displays in the left sidebar. Lower your screen brightness, since display brightness is one of the biggest causes of battery drain. You can also turn off True Tone if you don't need it, to save even more battery. Finally, close unused apps and disconnect accessories when they're not in use. And that's it. These quick changes can help stop fast battery drain and improve your Mac's battery life. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Mac tips on the channel.